Hello everyone, we are from Team Celestials and I'm Harshit Badole, leader of the Team Celestial. Today we are going to introduce ourselves. So starting off with me, I am Harshit Badole, a third year undergraduate from Government College of Engineering Karad. I am pursuing electrical engineering. I have strong inclination toward robotics and core electrical engineering field. In robotics, I am well versed with the Python programming language and have good command over image processing and video processing, that is with the help of OpenCV, that is an open source computer vision library. I can also work with C programming language. As in electronics, I'm well versed with the microcontroller like Arduino, Node MCU, ESP32, and can also work with the microcomputer Raspberry Pi. Regarding internship, I had an internship in Deltin Tech India Private Limited regarding IoT with cloud computing, in which I learned about IoT and also learned how to work with the cloud platforms like Arduino IoT Cloud, ThinkSpeak Cloud, and AWS Cloud. Project playing an important part. I have completed three projects. First one being generating electricity from falling rain droplets with the help of piezoelectric sensor. Second one being library reminder app, in which we created an app with the help of MIT App Inventor and was integrated with the MIT and was integrated with the Google Firebase. Third one was the variable DC power supply circuit, in which we basically converted the AC 230 volt AC voltage supply to the regulated 0 to 9 volt DC supply. Regarding my interest, I love to watch anime, love to read manga, and also I do sketching. So I am looking forward for opportunities which suits my skills and which will further enhance my skills. That's it from my side. Now over to you, Prathamesh.
Thank you, Harshit. Hello, everyone. I am Prathamesh Pramod. Hello, everyone. I am Prathamesh Pramod Vaitsar. I am from Kolhapur. I have completed my SSC from Nandini High School, Nandini, with 92.60 percentage, and HSC from Jantara Kalpur Vidya Mandir and Junior College Jaisingpur with 84.15% percentage. I have secured 7,700 rank in MSc CET with the percentile score of 96.90, and currently I am pursuing third year electrical engineering from Government College of Engineering Karad. Now talking about me, I love uh, my core subject and I am good at in them, and I have various hands-on skills in electrical and electronics department. I have done various projects in the span of 3 years, namely car speed detector system. Second one is electricity theft detection, uh, automatic headlight state control, and uh, controlling parcel delivering what over Wi-Fi. Currently, I am the coordinator of RoboClub GCK, and we are means our team is working over Flipkart Smart Grid competition and Robocon 2023. And besides technical, I love playing volleyball, carom, and swimming is my personal favorite. That's it from my side. Thank you. Over to you, Gayatri.
Ramesh. Hi everyone. Greetings of the day. I'm Gayatri Madhav Shinde, a native of Nashik district, Maharashtra. I'm currently pursuing my third year BTech in electrical engineering from Government College of Engineering Karad, which is in Satara district, Maharashtra, with current CGPA of 8.93. I'm a Siemens scholar, and as a part of my scholarship, I have attended many soft skill training sessions conducted by RIPE Global and Growth Center, which are the training partners of Smile Foundation and Siemens. Along with that, I have completed my basic and advanced mechatronics training in virtual manner and soon to appear for the offline mechatronics training under this scholarship program itself. Talking about my technical skills, I have good knowledge of C, Python programming language, and PLC, and I use Hacker and coding platform to practice and enhance my coding skills. Then, talking about my projects, in the first year of engineering, I have worked on a project of generating electricity from falling raindrops using piezoelectric sensors. After that, I have worked. I have worked with the team in college level hackathon, and there I have contributed in a library reminder app. After that, as a part of mini project, I have worked on smart touchless doorbell system. As a Siemens intern, I have worked on a IoT smart ambulance project. and currently I'm working on AI-based global marketing app under the course of Tech section offered by Edunet Foundation. Then I have interest in web development, so as to get skilled in it, I'm currently doing one course of web development on Udemy. Talking about my hobbies, I love playing cricket and chess. I love sketching. I enjoy watching movies and listening music. I'm looking for the opportunity to enhance my skills and use it for the betterment of company and society. Over to you, Mayuri. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Mayuri Appa Barkade. I am from Maharashtra, from Satara district. Currently, I am pursuing my graduation from Government College of Engineering, Karad, from electrical domain. My current CGPA is 8.53. I have completed my 10th from Bhimabai Ambedkar Kanya Vidya Mandir, Satara, and I have secured 89.40%. I have completed my 12th from Yashwantrao Khan Institute of Science, Satara, and I have secured 63.69%. I am familiar with C, C++, and basic Python. Talking about my project, I have worked on smart traffic control and monitoring system during our Science Day project. Also, I have taken part in college level hackathon. Recently, I have worked on a mini project, smart touchless doorbell system, which is based on the IoT. Talking about my good qualities, I have I am good at time management and adapting it to the changes. And also, I have my hobbies are watching cricket, doing exercise, then cooking, and that all my hobbies. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mayuri. Now, over to you, Niranjan.
Thank you. Hello everyone. My name is Niranjan Girish Tampkar. I am currently pursuing degree of electrical engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karad. I have completed my HSC from Ligada Patil Junior College of Science, Karad. I have completed my SSC from Saraswati Vidyalaya, Karad. And for my technical skills, I am familiar with programming languages like C and Python. I also have basic knowledge of Arduino. For my projects, I have completed small scale projects. For example, we have done generation of electricity using train drops with the help of piezoelectric sensors. For my mini project, I have done a delivery pod, which is to basically deliver parcels. And I have also participated in college level hackathons, in which we did library reminder system, which was the software based project. And I've also done my internship, 15 days internship in AG Electrical and Motor Services. And for my co-curricular activities, I'm JD, means I'm director of the Dias Club GCK, and under which we organize different kind of events and competitions. And I also like to play different kind of sports, but particularly badminton. I have also represented my college for that, and I like to play tabla, and I like to explore different genres of movies and TV series. Thank you for letting me speak. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Niranjan. Now, over to you, Priyanka.
Pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Priyanka Ravindra Patil. I am from Satara, Maharashtra. I am doing electrical engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karad. I have completed my 12th standard from Sadguru Gadi Maharaj College, Karad, and 10th standard from Thakkar Bappa Vidyalaya, Gandhi Tekdi, with 73% and 93% respectively. And in engineering, my aggregate score is 8.5 to 6. As I am an electrical student, I have invested my last 2.5 almost years to develop my core branch skills and software skills as well. My technical skills include programming in C, Python, PLC. I'm also familiar with IoT and Arduino. So these all are my technical skills, and I use these technical skills to build several projects, which are first smart traffic controlling and monitoring, second smart irrigation system, and currently I am working on the project which is IoT based smart ambulance. I have also participated in college level hackathon I have I have did several internships as well. First is techno commercial analysis of electric vehicles in Vardhan Consultancy Engineers, and second basics and advanced mechatronics training in Siemens Private Limited. So this is all about my technical skills. Coming towards my extracurricular activities, I have participated in cultural events and sports events to represent our college at district level. I am a member of Defense Club GCEK and also a member of Thinking GCEK team. I like to dance, read, and code. I am a confident, resilient, and versatile in nature. And lastly, I can work efficiently in team as well as in.
Now over to you, Rohit.
Hello everyone. I am Rohit Madhukar Kamli from Nashik district of Maharashtra state. Currently I am pursuing BTech third year electrical engineering from Government College of Karad. I have completed my SSC and HSC from Janta English School and Junior College Dindoli. I have basic knowledge in C, C++, and Python languages. Uh, I am familiar with PCM software and ANSYS software. I talking about my project. In first year, I completed my project, Smart Traffic Control and Monitoring, and recently completed my mini project, Synchronization Panel using LAMP method. I was member in Quest Club in GCAK. My hobbies are I like playing badminton, watching motivational speech and stories. I would like to visit different sports. Uh, I like making videos, editing, and 3D animation. And I am currently doing a course on advanced C++ languages. Thank you.
Thank you, Rohit. Now over to you, Siddhant.
Okay. Hello everyone. I'm Siddhant Wagmare. I'm from Solapur. Uh, I'm in third year right now, pursuing BTech from Government College of Engineering Karad. I have completed my schooling and college from English School Junior College Sangola. Uh, about my skills, I am good in C++ and Python, and I'm quite well experienced in ANSYS, PSUMS, and MATLAB software as well. About my display or execution of my skills, I have done projects. First, dual axis solar tracker. Second, short term load forecasting in electrical power system. Third, I have also participated in e-hackathon that was conducted by IIT Madras, in which I have worked on categorization of cylindrical grinding process by using the grinding signals. About regarding my achievements, me and my team have achieved first prize in the science competition, which was conducted by our college. As an extra curricular activity, I had worked as a coordinator in TPO. Besides all of this, I like sketching, traveling, reading books, and learning new things so that I can improve myself. That's from my side. Thanks for giving me the opportunity to present myself in front of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Siddhant. Now over to you, Pranali.
Hello, hello everyone. I am Pravi Dare. I am from Satara district. I have completed my SSC from Adarsh Vidya Mandir wing with 79% and HSC from Yashwantrao Chavan College Karad with 76%. Currently, I am pursuing my graduation in BTech third year of electrical engineering from Government College of Engineering Karad. My branch is electrical and current CGPA is 8.2. Along with this, my field knowledge, I am also passionate about the programming language like C, Python. and also I am starting learning about the artificial intelligence, machine learning, uh, Arduinos, IoTs, etc. Along with these curriculum activities, I have also participated in the project, which is very important, like science project on technology about light fidelity concept. And currently, mini project. I have participated on mini project that is dynamic solar tracking system using MPPT. While doing this project, I observed that I have good quality of teamwork. I have also completed the uh, Python training in the Academy of EFITANI HI, and also I have completed online workshop on the soft computing in the uh, program of technical education quality improvement programs. And also, along with this, I think I like doing exercise, watching the movies, exercise, cycling. That's it. And my strengths are I am self motivated, self disciplined, and dedicated persons. I can give my 100% to, and along with my knowledge, I can give my 100% to enhance the growth of the company. So that I'm looking forward to join the company, and as per my knowledge, I will solve the problems of industrial problems and learn from that to update myself. That's okay from my side. Thank you for giving me such opportunity to present myself in front of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Pranali. Now over to you, Ajinkya.
Hello everyone, I am Ajinkya Patil from Government College of Engineering Karad. I am currently in third year pursuing electrical engineering. I have completed my HSC SSC from Gnan Prabodhini High School with 95% and HSC with 80% from Sangmeshwar Junior College. 94 percentile in CET lead me straight to the government college. Talking about technical specialties, I am good at C programming language, and other softwares such as ANSYS and PSIM are also familiar with me. Uh, Next, I have a keen interest in financial sector, so I have learned the financial accounting course on NPTEL. In first year, I have participated in project competition, and we won the first prize in this for our project, dual axis solar tracker. It has been designed to modify the efficiency of installed solar panel to 40 to 50%. As a non-technical part, I am a fluent artist and a part of Dice Club in our college. Our club is our club organizes various activities for personality development for the welfare of students. Big activities such as Dice Conclave and TEDx we have arranged in our college. For the immense response from for the first Dice Conclave, we have arranged second part also, but it was online. So I have the experience of conducting event in both ways, online and offline. These experiences taught me the way of handling people and guests as well. Again, I am an actor, so acting is not just a hobby, but it's the unofficial course to deal with the gregarious condition. Yeah, that's me. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Ajinkya. So that was from all our side. We are Team Celestials, and we also like to thank TPO for giving us the opportunity to introduce ourselves. Thank you once again.